Start October with a cautious outlook as we analyze key market trends. Find out why overbought conditions, rising Middle East tensions, and global market shifts are driving the negative sentiment. We'll cover Nifty and Bank Nifty trends, upcoming US payroll data, and how auto sales and GST numbers could impact the market. Caution greets Dalal Street on the first trading day of October. Blame it on 1. Overbought technical conditions prevail for benchmark Nifty. 2. Rising tensions in the Middle East. 3. Investors are seen turning to Chinese stock markets which have zoomed higher to enter the bull market on attractive valuations. 4. Overnight, Dow Jones drifted down after scaling fresh record high at 42313 in Friday's trade. 5. The Fed's preferred inflation gauge the US PCE inflation report adds to the case for another big Fed rate cut in November. But traders are a bit disappointed as the odds for a 50 basis point rate cut in November currently stand at 37%, well below levels above 50% in the previous week. Market trends. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 9792 crores while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 6646 crores. Sentiments shall waver in today's trade. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating slight overbought technical conditions. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 2500 to 27,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 12.78 levels. Nifty PCR, 31st October, is at 1.13 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th October, is at 0.95. Nifty outlook, Nifty is likely to trade with negative bias. Nifty, CMP to 5811. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 25,671 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 26,051 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25650 and 25950. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 5 to 978. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 52,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 53,549 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 52,500 and 533,300. Bias for the day is neutral. Nifty succumbed to massive profit booking in yesterday's trade, and most importantly, Nifty ended on an ugly note. The big question, does the sudden volatility necessarily mean the sky is about to fall? Well, the near-term direction will depend much on the biggest event, the US non-farm payrolls data to be wired on Friday, 4th October. Also, all eyes will be on the GST numbers and auto sales data for September shall trickle in on Tuesday, 1st October. It's going to be a truncated week ahead as our stock markets will remain closed on Wednesday, 2nd October on account of Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. Buzzing stocks. 1. Aurobindo Pharma declined 3% in yesterday's trade after the US Food and Drugs Administration, USFDA, inspected Apitoria Pharma, a subsidiary of Aurobindo Pharma's active pharmaceutical ingredient, API, manufacturing facility in Telangana. 2. Zomato is drifting down on Swiggy's IPO move that had investors buzzing about the competitive landscape in the food delivery market.